Hi everybody, I'm Susan Mulvihill. Welcome back to our garden in Spokane, Washington, where the hardiness zone ranges from about 5B to 6A. Have you noticed what a gorgeous fall we're having this year? I think it's one of the best in many, many years, and I am loving every minute of it. I've been walking around our yard looking at the different things that add a lot of interest to the garden this time of year, whether it's berries or leaves. And I was thinking, I need to take pictures of those, because if you've been walking around your garden thinking, boy, we sure don't have much fall color, or I wish we had more than we do now, this should give you some inspiration. Now I realize a lot of you live either in a warmer climate or a colder climate than we do. So if something catches your eye, you'll definitely want to research it and make sure it will grow well in your hardiness zone. I hope you enjoyed the slideshow. Thanks so much for watching today, everybody. Happy gardening.